friends. I have a guest today in our video a day series for April. I would like to introduce Elley Hudson from Excellence Property Management in Townsville. Elley and her company are one of our strategic alliance partners. As you know, we are setting up the strategic relationships with our partners in the areas. And rather than me talking all the time, I thought I might put Elley on the spot and ask her the question. Elley, what would you say are the three most common mistakes that property investors make?
Well, Uwe, the three most common mistakes that I come across in my experience, the first one, which is really important, is owners choosing the cheapest property management agency with the concept that they're going to get a better return because they're paying lower fees. Very similar to when you hire a builder to renovate your bathroom. If you get the cheapest builder, it's going to result in leaks and faults. And it's the same thing with your property manager. However, keep in mind, your property manager is managing tens of thousands of dollars of income every year, and you don't want leaks and faults with that. Excellent. The second one I come across very often is not having adequate landlord's insurance. No one wants to imagine something that is going to go wrong, just like you wouldn't imagine that there would be a natural disaster. But if there was, you would want to make sure that you have adequate insurance. And it is a common mistake that we find because most policies have loopholes where you can't make a claim on loss of rent and those kind of things. And it really digs into your return on investment. So very, very good investment to make in good landlord's insurance. And the last one, which is the most common one that I come across, is owners being very emotionally invested in their investment property and basing decisions on emotions as opposed to facts and figures. Just like when you buy shares on the stock market, you need to treat your property as such because it is just that, an investment property. And if you make decisions based on facts and figures that have a positive effect on your investment, you'll get a better return. Those are the three most common mistakes I find property investors make.
Fantastic points. Thank you very much, Elley. I want to keep this short, sharp, and precise. So that's brilliant points. Thanks very much.